everyone. Well, I've opened up Tessa's door to see once again if she wants to come out, and it's, you know, during the day, though the sun's started to go down and lights are starting to turn out in the snake room, although of course now I've lit it up because I'm doing a video, but she hasn't moved at all, but Beau has, and he decided to come out, and he has made his way from as I'm turning around to show you, from over here to along the floor, around the back of Tessa's enclosure, and then has made his way into Tessa's enclosure. And to me, it's, you know, people say that snakes aren't social with one another, and I don't believe that's actually true. I don't believe they avoid one another. I think when they are well aware that there's another snake close by, they are more inclined to actually go and see that snake than do a wide berth and stay as far away from it as they possibly can. And of course, I know that Beau knows that Tessa is in there and has gone in there to check out her home, which, you know, is a why not? Why not allow other snakes to go and visit another snake's living environment? It is enrichment, it is being around their own kind, it is just curiosity, it is learning, it is, you know, change, different, and so on. And yeah, you will see that Beau is darker than what Tessa is, though she's fairly dark down the tail end, but he has more of that red sort of going on. What are you doing? So, to Bredli, would I term them as carpet pythons these days? So there is discussion that they will just be Morelia bredli, or Bredli, whichever way you wish to say it, but not the carpet python. So yeah, they're very similar when you, well, similar, different pattern, different colours, etc. But you know, that orange in them is amazing, and you'll see that there on her underbelly or her sides, and it runs all the way up her belly. I can't get to see Misters down here, but he's a bit dry looking on his back. Are you not? Hey? Or what is that? Just you being a grot bag? Hey? I don't know. He's like, who is touching my back? Are you touching my back? I am. I totally am. You gonna come out? Hey? I know it's very hard with the reflection going on there. I shall move this over a bit and move this over a bit for him. Come on. Come on, dude. I don't know if I'm yeah. You there? What is that? that? Hey, it's a camera bow. Beautiful they are. The Bredli, big, can be quite big. And I think that is very surprising to a lot of people. They say they want a big snake and carpet pythons don't get big. Well, and saying that, then these guys aren't really a carpet python, but if you want a big snake, in terms of one of our Australian species, most definitely the Bredli are and can be quite big. We of course know that coastals are and can be, and there's a couple here that are still young, which is Cody and Bryony, and they will of course grow over the years. Little Oscar is still that little boy, long and lanky, as we say. But where are you going? Have you enjoyed being out exploring? Because we've been busy doing things with your room so that you can have some fun in the room. Hey? Would you like to have some fun in the room? It's like he's got cobwebs. He's been everywhere. Well, everywhere. Well, along the ground anyway, everywhere. I will help him up and to get up here. Though, as always, they are more than capable of doing it without my help, you could say. But we've just provided a great area for them to explore on, and I will show you that. You know, always looking for things, finding things that I think to myself, like these shelves, which I found in, or baskets, whatever you want to call them, in Target. And while out shopping, going into Lifeline and coming across this amazing rope that was just sitting there, I don't know how many meters, but plenty of it. And I instantly saw and thought to myself, oh, you know, a extra climbing apparatus, I guess. So, $15. And it is actually rope. It is not synthetic or anything. This is actually rope. So, you know, we wanted to make it so that the snakes had, it's almost like I've got to fix something up here to stop that from tilting this particular thing. But always thinking and always use your imagination. I've said that. You've got to use your imagination. Things for snakes are very expensive. You know, when you go into your reptile ones and your zoo meds and so forth, it can become quite expensive. So going into a Lifeline, having a look around, because you just never know what you're actually going to find, you know. And these are those seagrass mats that have just been weaved with rope all the way around. So this is really quite solid. And the same goes with this one. It's not as weaved on the sides, but it is quite sturdy. Rope ladders. There's plenty of videos on YouTube that will show you actually how to make them, and they're quite easy. So yeah, lots of things that you can actually do for your snake to enjoy. And Beau's gone again, wherever Beau has decided to. I thought he had gone back into her enclosure. I see her tail. But I don't see Beau. Oh yeah, I do. Beau is right down the bottom there, still having an explore. So, snakes don't mind other snakes. Snakes will seek other snakes out. They will find them. They will enter their zone, their territory. So they're not unsocial with each other. Doesn't mean you can cohabitate them, especially in an enclosure this size. If it was the whole length of this wall and as high as this wall, yeah, probably could, because they need their own space. They need to be able to get away from each other. And if they don't have the ability to do that, then there would be trouble. For me, the trouble would be she's female and he's the male. So the only trouble for me would be is her getting pregnant and laying eggs. But everybody, I'm going to love and leave you. You take care. Ciao.